Welcome. We are the PCHS students.
All right, so our question was, how many days a week do you work after school? And we used Google Forms and got 100 responses, which is voluntary response.
For our data values, we found the measures of central tendency, the measures of spread, and the variance in standard deviation. For the measures of central tendency, we first found the mean, which is adding up all the values and then dividing by the amount of values. And for that, we got 3.07. For median, it's just finding the middle value within the data set. And for that, we got 3. For mode, you find that through finding the value that occurs the most. And for that, it was 0. And for mid-range, you find that through adding the highest and lowest values and then dividing by 2. And for that, we got 4. For our measures of spread, for range, you find that by subtracting the highest value minus the lowest. And for that, we got 7. For quartile 1, once you find the median, you basically find the middle number between the median and the lowest number, and that's quartile 1. For quartile 3, it's you find the middle number between the median and the highest value. For that, you get quartile 3, which is number which is 5. For IQR, you subtract quartile 3 minus quartile 1, and you get 4 for that. For variance and standard deviation, for variance we get 5.43, and for standard deviation we get 2.33. To find standard deviation, basically you have to find the mean and subtract each value from that mean, and then after you're done, you square that value and divide by the amount of values in your data set. And after that, you take the square root of that value. And for this variance, you just take the standard deviation and square it.
For our normal distribution graph, we took the mean, which is 3.087, and the standard deviation, which is 2.33, to create the graph. We place the mean first in the middle, and then to get this first number, we add it by 2.33. And to get the second number, you add it by 2.33, and to get the third number, you add it by 2.33. And for the left side, we subtracted 2.33 to get these 3 numbers. The percentages represent the range in which the people fell to get these numbers. And
so we used a pie chart. A pie chart is a type of graph in which a circle is divided into sectors that each represent a proportion of the whole. So I have my key down here, and for 0 days, we got 20%. For 1 day, we got 12%. 2 days, we got 11%. 3 days, we got 11% as well. 4 days, we got 17%. 5 days, we got 9%. 6 days, we got 10%. And 7 days, all days of the week, we got 10% of the people work.
Thanks for watching our video. Now you're a pro in statistics. Ooh!